Hi guys, this is Cake Doc here, and today I'm going to show you how to make Swiss meringue buttercream. And this is a much less sweeter version compared to American buttercream. Don't be intimidated, it's actually not as hard as it seems. So I'm going to go over the ingredients first, okay? So for this recipe, to make one batch, you're going to need 6 egg whites, which I have separated before this, okay? 6 egg whites. And then we have 2 cups of granulated sugar with 1 pound of unsalted butter, so essentially 4 sticks of butter. You're going to need 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and then 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Okay, so let's begin. So here we have a double boiler system where you have a pot of water underneath and you put your bowl from your stand mixer right on top. You don't want it to be boiling hot. Go ahead and pour your sugar in first, followed by your egg whites. And then you're going to whisk it until the sugar dissolves into the egg white. This step takes about 10 minutes, so just be patient. And you basically want to keep working at it until you can't feel any of the sugar crystals when you rub in between your fingers, or you can use a candy thermometer and whisk it until it is at 160 degrees, and this is to pasteurize the egg whites. Next, you want to move your bowl back over to the stand mixer and you want to whisk it on high for about 10 to 15 minutes until you form a nice glossy stiff meringue. Okay, so after about 10 minutes you can see I have this nice glossy meringue. And now you want to add your butter 1 tablespoon at a time until it is well incorporated. You want to mix on about medium. And this step takes about 10 minutes to do. You want to whisk it until you get a nice stiff consistency. Now there is a chance that it will go through a runny liquidy stage, but that's totally normal. But if you just keep whipping, it will turn into this nice stiff consistency. Once you're at this point, you want to go ahead and add your salt and then your vanilla extract. And that completes our tutorial on how to make Swiss meringue buttercream. It's not as intimidating as it sounds, and this is a great way to make a buttercream that is not as sweet as American buttercream and is much smoother for decorating cakes. I'm Cake Doc. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel below. Have a great day. For more recipes, check out my book, Cake Doctor, Making Cakes in Your Kitchen, available at Barnes & Nobles and Amazon. Happy baking adventures!